kids, welcome back to Magnet Brains. This is Khushi Bhatnagar and today we are going to do a short summary on the chapter 8, which is flying high. So this chapter is all about birds. All about birds. Yes, in this chapter we read about the different birds, okay, and how birds are different from each other, that we learn in this chapter. You remember all the birds in the jungle are talking about themselves, okay. The starting of this chapter is where all the birds are sitting in the jungle and they are talking about themselves, okay, what are the qualities and how they look, what are the qualities of there and how they look, okay. So from that we come to know there are different types of birds and we have so many varieties in birds also. हमारे पास different तरह की birds हैं. They have different colors and different sizes, okay. Some birds are small, some are big and some are more big, right. And some birds are of pink color, some are of grey color, or some of are blue color. So there are different types of colors in birds also, right. Okay, and they also have different types of voices. They have different types of sounds and voices, like pigeon, how pigeon says guttergoo, how pigeon says guttergoo, and how parrot says, parrot is copy our own voice, copies our own voice, parrots copy our voices, okay. They say mittu mittu and they also copy our voices. And the what are all other birds, like also koel. Koel has a very sweet voice, sweet voice like kuhu. So we can see that different birds have different voices too, right. And they eat different types of foods also, okay, like parrot eat green chilies while the pigeon eats the small wheat grains, the dana of the grains, right. So they eat different types of foods. And some birds, they are big, like eagle, they also eat the small insects also. So the birds eat different types of foods also, okay. They eat different varieties of foods. So these all different things make birds different from each other. इतनी सारी different चीजें होती हैं birds में कि वो एक दूसरे को उनसे अलग बनाती हैं, okay. But what is common in all birds? Common क्या होता है सारी birds में कि सारी birds के पास beak होती है. What is beak? All the birds have beak. And all the birds have wings to fly, because every bird can fly high in the sky. So birds has wings and they also has feathers on them and a tad and two legs. All the birds have two legs with the claws. What is claws? You can see in their legs they have claws, okay. And what is beak? This is a beak, right. So all the birds have wings, beak, 2 feet, 2 legs with the claws. These are the common things in birds. Baki sab they have different, okay. So these are the varieties of the birds. So we see different types of birds fly high in the sky. So all the birds fly high in the sky. All the birds can fly, right. Birds are of different size, colors, and they also make different sounds. So they are of different sizes, colors, and they can also make different sounds, right. One thing is common in bird. What is the things common in birds are a beak, a pair of wings with feathers on them, a tad, 2 legs with claws. So these are the things common in every bird, okay. Beak helps the bird to drink water, eat their food and change their direction while flying. Beak यानी कि this part of the bird, this is beak. So what it helps? It helps the bird to drink water, to eat food. With the help of the beak, bird can eat food, bird can eat water, and also she can change the direction while flying. When he is flying, She can change the direction also with the help of a beak. Yes, with the help of a beak, a bird can change her direction also. And wings help the birds to fly in the sky, and feathers on their wings protect them from the weathers. So wings किस लिए help करते हैं? Wings help to fly high in the sky. Yes, wings help the birds to fly high in the sky, and the feathers on the wings, helps to protect them. Protect from what? Protect from the different types of weather, like when it's too cold. So the feathers help them and protect from cold. जब बहुत cold होता है, so the birds have the feathers, और उस feathers से वो अपने आप को protect करती हैं cold से. Okay, so feathers help also them to protect themselves. Okay, so this is the qualities of the birds we read in the chapter. These are the qualities of the birds, like what is different, what is common, and what body part help the birds to in what things. Okay, now birds sit on their legs, which also helps them to hop. When they sit on the floor, on the ground, when they come to eat food on the ground, okay, so they come to eat on the ground. So when they are on the ground, they can hop also. Hop means they can also jump through the help of their legs. They can also jump while they are on the ground. When they are not flying, they can also jump, they can also hop. Okay, the claws of the birds help them to grip something when they sit on a wire or a pole. जो claws होते हैं, as I told you, like this, जो उनके legs में claws होते हैं वो उन्हें grab करने में help करते हैं. How? When they sit on a tree or on a pole or on a wire, उसके through वो grab करके sit करते हैं, so that वो वहाँ से गिरे नहीं, they cannot fall from there. तो वो उन्हें grab करके they sit there. Okay, so with the help of the claws they can sit there. They also help some birds to catch the prey they prey, but some birds use their beaks to catch their prey. So they catch their prey, maybe sometimes they catch their prey with the help of a legs, and sometimes with the help of a beak. So they can catch the prey with the help of their beak or with the help of their legs, with the help of the claws. Okay, so claws make the grip. New feathers grow from time to time when old feathers fall away. You can see many times on the grounds, on the playgrounds, you can see many types of feathers were just lying on the ground. Many types of feathers of a bird you can see just lying on the ground. Okay, and you pick up the feathers. So these are the fallen feathers of the birds. जो birds के feathers गिर जाते हैं on the ground, they are those feathers. तो गिर जाने के बाद new feathers automatically birds को वापस आ जाते हैं. What happens? Automatically new feathers comes when old feathers fallen down. जब old हो जाते हैं feathers तो वो अपने आप they will fall down on the ground and new feathers comes. Okay, some common birds we see around are, जो हमें mostly दिखते हैं वो birds कौन से हैं? Sparrow, pigeon, crow, parrot, eagle, peacock, duck, hen, etc. What are the birds? Sparrow, pigeon, crow, parrot, eagle, peacock, duck, hen. So these are the birds we can commonly see. हम इन सारी birds को देख चुके हैं, right? Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird, right? So these are the birds we can commonly see in our colonies, on the playgrounds, on the trees, and near to our houses. We can see all these birds, but they are different from each other. अगर ये सारी birds एक जैसी होती तो कितना world boring हो जाता. We cannot identify कि this is a crow. We cannot identify this is a pigeon. We cannot identify this is a parrot. So अगर सारी birds same color की होती, same size की होती, same food खाती and सेम ही वॉइसेस निकालती, सेम साउंड्स निकालती. सो कितना बोरिंग होता है, एंड वी कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई all the different types of birds. But because all the birds are different from each other, they have different colors, different size, and different pattern of sounds. So they make the world more interesting to know that this bird is parrot, this bird is crow. So this make the more interesting world, right? Now this is all about our chapter Flying High, chapter 8 Flying High. This is the short summary of chapter 8 Flying High. Okay, I will come with more and more summaries. Till then, follow and subscribe Magnet Brains, because Magnet Brains provide free education. Thank you.